Welcome to our special presentation on the evolution of semiconductors. Over the years, these tiny electronic components have revolutionized our lives and continue to shape the future of technology. Today, we'll explore their incredible journey and the possibilities they hold for tomorrow. Our story begins in the mid-20th century when the first semiconductors emerged as an alternative to cumbersome vacuum tubes. These small devices laid the foundation for modern electronics, but had limitations. Fast forward to today, and we find ourselves amidst the era of microchips. These complex structures with millions or even billions of transistors have become the backbone of our digital world. But what lies ahead for semiconductors? The interviewee said that, "The future of semiconductors is incredibly exciting. We are currently exploring various paths to push the boundaries of what's possible. One path that holds immense promise is quantum computing. By harnessing quantum phenomena, these advanced systems can solve complex problems exponentially faster than classical computers. Imagine a world where we seamlessly conquer today's toughest challenges." Another fascinating area is the development of new materials and technologies. Scientists around the globe are tirelessly working to create novel semiconductors that boast superior conductivity, efficiency, and performance. Industry expert once said, "These next-generation semiconductors could revolutionize renewable energy solutions." We anticipate highly efficient solar cells and energy storage systems that power our world sustainably. Industry expert too said that, additionally, the automotive industry is in for a transformation. Future semiconductors pave the way for autonomous vehicles, enhanced safety features, and connected transportation networks. The possibilities are endless. As we envision the future, the advancements in semiconductors open doors to smarter cities, where sensor networks enable real-time data analysis and intelligent infrastructure responds dynamically to our needs. To achieve such breakthroughs, collaboration among researchers, engineers, and industries is essential. Open dialogue and sharing of ideas will propel us forward into the future we dream of. It's truly remarkable how far semiconductors have come and what lies ahead. From the early days of transistors to the vast potential of quantum computing and beyond, the evolution of semiconductors exemplifies humanity's quest for progress. As we conclude our journey through the evolution of semiconductors, let's remember that these tiny components hold tremendous power to shape our world for generations to come. Thank you for joining us today.